The first day of a long trip is filled with a quiet, thrilling electricity. You stand in a new city, the air thick with unfamiliar scents and sounds, holding a bag that feels both too small and too heavy. Before you lies a map, a beautiful mess of lines and names, a stretch of 90 days. That's a quarter of a year. It's a generous slice of time, long enough to truly settle in, move beyond the frantic pace of a tourist, adopt the slower, more observant rhythm of a traveler. The goal isn't just to see Southeast Asia, it's to experience it. Let its stories seep into your own. This journey is a countdown, a bucket list of 9 essential experiences. This isn't about rushing from one photo opportunity to the next. Think of this list as a series of signposts, each one pointing toward a deeper connection. A country or a region, a specific feeling, a moment that captures the spirit of its home. Travel with intention. Know where you're going. Leave room for happy accidents and spontaneous discoveries. This essay is your guide. It offers a framework. Real magic happens when you make it your own. Favorite street food stall, hidden temple, perfect sunset, practical tips, smooth logistics. Handle the how so you can focus on the wow. Bustling streets of Vietnam, tranquil temples of Laos. Each stop is a new chapter. Ancient wonders, vibrant cities, serene landscapes. Travel smarter, safer, with more joy. Consider these 90 days a promise. Be open, be curious, be present. You'll collect more than stamps. You'll collect moments. Our journey begins in the heart of northern Vietnam, in a city that wakes with a gentle hum. Hanoi is a place of history, a city of lakes and tree-lined boulevards where the past feels wonderfully present. To truly understand Hanoi, you must experience its morning rituals. Wake up early, walk through the labyrinthine streets of the old quarter. The air is filled with the comforting aroma of brewing coffee, the sizzle of frying dough, and the rich, savory scent of pho. This is the city at its most authentic. Find a humble stall, pull up one of the tiny plastic stools, then order a bowl. The soup arrives, a steaming universe of clear, fragrant broth, tender noodles, and fresh, bright herbs. You're participating in a ritual shared by office workers, grandparents, and students. This is how you learn the rhythm of Hanoi, one delicious spoonful at a time. The Old Quarter is a living museum. Silk, silver, bamboo. Watch as daily life weaves around you. Consider a cyclo for an unhurried perspective. Architecture and street life unfold without stress. Carry small bills. It keeps transactions smooth and respectful. In Hanoi, the small things matter. And when you slow down, the city's true soul finds you. From the beautiful chaos of Hanoi, our journey takes us eastward, to a place lifted from a dream. Ha Long Bay is UNESCO listed, nearly 2,000 karsts rising from emerald green waters. Choose an intimate overnight cruise. Peace descends as the harbor falls away. You move silently through a maze of islands, each sculpted by wind and water. Find a spot and simply watch. The scale humbles. Swim secluded lagoons or paddle into hidden caves, and emerge into pure magic. As day ends, the sky becomes orange, pink, and purple. Profound quiet settles. Under stars, the only sounds are water on the hull and a distant seabird. Morning mist swirls. Soft light breaks through. Pack a light jacket. The evenings and early mornings can surprise you. Ha Long is a necessary pause, a deep breath before the road ahead. Disconnect from the world, reconnect with quiet grandeur. Let the bay reset your pace and your senses. This calm stays with you long after shore, and then you move on, carrying the quiet with you. Leaving Vietnam, we travel west into Laos, a slower, contemplative pace. Nestled at the confluence of the Mekong and Nam Khan, it's a sanctuary. Wake before sunrise, find a quiet spot. Tak Bat begins, silent, humbling, deeply moving. The air is still. Generosity echoes softly. Later, turquoise tears invite a cooling swim. Wear good footwear. Paths can be slick. Beauty here pairs with responsibility. From Laos, we head to Chiang Mai, Rose of the North. Culture, nature, creature comforts in balance. Explore the markets, intricate handicrafts, warm smiles. Don't miss cow soy and mango sticky rice. Climb the Naga steps or ride up. The view takes your breath. A local guide can unlock hidden doors, from quiet temples to family-run kitchens. Stories turn visits into connections. Let the region's gentleness set your rhythm. This is time to breathe, to learn, to savor. And when night falls, the city glows with friendly energy. After the laid-back north, plunge into Bangkok's exhilarating energy. Ancient and hypermodern coexist in a beautiful, chaotic dance. Get your bearings from the river. The Grand Palace dazzles. Dress respectfully. Street food is essential Bangkok. Pad Thai, satay, mango sticky rice. Carry your address in Thai, it saves confusion. In rush hour, take BTS, MRT, or riverboats. From Bangkok, we journey to Siem Reap. Join the pilgrims in hush as light gathers. Slowly the sky blooms, then sun ignites the stone. The symmetry is unforgettable. Visit early. The jungle keeps its grip. Do not miss the Bayon. Buy a multi-day pass. Slow travel turns checklists into discovery. Give yourself time for delicate masterpieces. Revisit favorites. Wander further. Even with crowds, the experience feels deeply personal. Let the stones speak at their pace. The sun lowers and the temples rest. Your heart full, your feet dusty. Crossing into southern Vietnam, the energy shifts. Saigon runs on adrenaline, constant motion. Start with Banh Mi, a symphony of crunch, fat, heat, and herbs. Visit the War Remnants Museum, difficult but essential. Crawl a tunnel, glimpse ingenuity and resilience. With a trusted driver, find hidden foods and fleeting scenes. Keep your camera ready. Moments appear and vanish in an instant. In Phnom Penh, grace and tragedy meet. Tuol Sleng and Chuong Ek confront a dark past, remembrance etched into the landscape. This is not easy travel. Let empathy guide you. Later, life returns to the riverside. Soft orange skies and simple joys. Sit, breathe, reflect. Approach the past with sensitivity. Listen more than you speak. This is where kindness makes a difference. Connection beyond transactions. That is travel at its best. Carry the lessons and the light forward. After bustling cities and profound history, a reward for the soul, Bali. Traditions are everywhere. Flowers, incense, temples. Walk the terraces, visit galleries, learn to cook. Culture above the ocean's roar. Balance adventure with intentional rest. 90 days fly when you're moving. Plan smart, flex often. Weeks 1 to 2, Northern Vietnam, Hanoi and Ha Long. Weeks 3-4, Luang Prabang, Chiang Mai. Weeks 5 to 7, Bangkok, Angkor, Phnom Penh. Weeks 8-10, Southern Vietnam and the Delta. Weeks 11 to 13, Bali. Decompress and reflect. Linger where you love. Skip what doesn't call. Leave room for wonder. You'll collect moments. A perfect bowl of noodles, a smile shared across language, the chill of ancient stone, souvenirs that last a lifetime. These moments become part of you. A bucket list countdown is a compass, not a cage. Let wonder navigate. Pack light, travel slow, be open to the unexpected.